video we'll finish the weekly quiz of 5546. Yes, as you can see it's week 4 quiz, but the knowledge is learned in week 6. So let's go for that. And as for its past knowledge, we need to use the GPT for need to have a bit understanding with that. For first one is what is white space then in Python? Space, two spaces, a white space. So what does that mean? Oh yes, I know, 4 space or one type of character. So actually in Python is 4 space. To emphasize the importance of following convention, the white space standing part is to emphasize the importance of following the white space standard. Yes. We should following statements were evaluated to turn true will eventually to true if the string is in set S, or if B is not in the set S, which statement will evaluate true A in S, or so it will be in a true German string is in S if A in S or B not in S. Okay, which following? Yes, or in S, or true not A not in S is false and B in S false, double false is true. Yes, let's just, sorry for that, I still need to open my screen card instrument. And next we can find there are 6 loop coding and 3 function coding here. And finally is a tuple function. It's just a review of the last year. Great. So let's check the answer first. Yes, let's do the quiz in one go. Great. Yes, 4 spaces. I know that it's true. Not 2 or 8. Recommend using yes. No. To emphasize importance following convenience. What does that mean? To emphasize importance following. So it's not. Okay. It's could use, but you can now use as well. You can use 8. Okay. So let me think. I think it's correct. Morgan. Sorry, next one. So using the provide list, loop over lim and print the loop for in L. Sorry, not that. Print. Sorry for that. What is that? I don't know. So let's just test my output for. What does that mean? Investing student. Sorry for that. Test. Yes. Great. Next one. Using the less overloop element higher only print if they do not begin with the letter forest. What do you mean? Forest. Print them if they do not begin. So for str in L, if Yes, I'm just confused about the so what's no? So how to print does not equal? Yes. Sorry. So I'm too confused. Yes. Yes. It's a little bit weird. So should I use function begin with? Or I know if string start with no. If start with is that means so let me try again. I think I was right. Okay. No, the remaining is unnecessary. So let's try it. What's my expect independent block after if else print. So what's the solution of GPT? So we first not name if not, is that correct? Not name but forest. Yes, that's true. Great. So yes, use the function start with. Next one is dictionary. Using dictionary provide pre-out time and population of each suburbs begin with F, meeting the following criteria. Name does not begin with forest. The population index exists. This means that population is not known. In fact, in this noun is how you test for the value is not known in the smart. Just like several each line in output dictionary. So what does that mean? We need to open the Python to see whether it's whether I need to print the F suburbs. So we need to wait a second. I think I can do that. Oh, it's the project failed. So let's close it. Exit. So yes, open a new one. New Python week 6 .py. Yes. You can still edit a little cancer. So for in that case, I need to copy the code. Now, sorry, I do not need to capitalize the first print F suburb. Yes, let's go. Current value. Yes, we can see that. So the functions should be if. So what do you say? If the ice. If so how to if IOU in sorry for that for IOU sorry for tax in dict visitor. So first thing is we need to print out if task dot sorry for that keys equals to if not keys dot whatever that start with forest, then if not begin with starts with forest, and if not task dot key equals to null, sorry, print task. I think it looks good for this, so we just run the test. So my apple is there, is not attribute in case yes. The question is that okay not key, so the question is here, so we need to know how to good. Yes, it's question, that's the question in dictionary, which is different from the here, from different from this. So it's not, if not task dot key, it's the sorry, so we cannot use this function in the dictionary. When you change it, how to change it? So next one is the next. Okay, for testing this out.